Mrs. You look cute there. You look snuggly and warm. You do. Should we go around the block and go to shop? Yeah, we're going to get Daddy some flowers because today we're celebrating Valentine's Day with Daddy. Yeah. It's your first pancake day. Yes, it is. Shall I get you? Come on then. We're going to watch Daddy. It's going to be a poo one, this one. Oh, yeah. What's Daddy doing?
That's fine. Be worse for the first one.
Yeah, that's alright, that.
First one's usually thin, but I'll eat that.
Flip! Oh!
You want to see flip? It's only half now, look at it.
Okay, you're right in it. Oh my god! Good morning! Look at that little red eye. We just cleaned it, haven't we? Mummy's going to ring doctors tomorrow. I am. Yeah, I'm going to ring doctors tomorrow. Look at you looking. Look, straight at it. Straight at it. Oh. 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 Ah. Look at your little cute face. I do. You're going to smile. Yeah. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, I'm so excited to eat this. Oh, look at me. Got makeup on for once. Oh, oh. Lol. This cat is on heat. Can you see her? Our last one, what's not been spayed, as Blossom got spayed last week. Did I talk about it in my vlog? I don't think I did, but yeah, Blossom, our black and white one, our littlest one, she got spayed last week. Oh no! Oh hello! Look at you. You see yourself? Say hiya. Hiya, you gonna bounce? Bounce it out, yeah. You dancing to music, yeah. Yeah. We've had a very slow morning today. It's actually 2:30. I did want to go out for a walk, but it's not happened because I just started doing jobs. And then you're being cranky, and then you had a nap, and then you're in here. So I was like, well, I'm just doing jobs and things. So yeah, I've got makeup on for once. Did it yesterday as well, but I didn't really vlog yesterday, did I? So, but yeah, happy Wednesday. She's 19 weeks old. How are you 19 weeks already? I think you might need the next size up in dummies. You're really struggling with these now, aren't you? They're not, I don't know. I might need the next size up. But yeah, I've been pottering really. Oh. Ah. I know, Jinx. Look at her with a little bum in the air. Put it away. But yeah, I've got Valentine's Day cards. Me and Ben did Valentine's Day yesterday. But we didn't really celebrate it that much because he had his on cod. He had his COVID vaccine yesterday, so his arm's really dead, so he can't lay on it or anything. But yeah, he was just like, I just want to ignore the pain and go. I was like, yeah, go on your games, do whatever. So yeah, I love the office. It's office cards, and I got him some roses, but they were from Evelyn. Didn't you? You got Daddy some roses. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. So yes, you're so cute. You're so cute. She's got like really cute little, really long, random strands of hair. She's like, you just found the odd one. What's like? I try and flatten it all. You got a little one there. She'll just get the random really long one. What? Yeah, he's so cute. And I'm also going to call the doctors tomorrow because of her little eye. I don't know if you can see it. So this morning I cleaned it, as you saw, and now it's going a bit. It's just so leaky. Truthfully, it's just leaking all the time. So yeah, it's a little eye. But sometimes it transfers onto her left one, so I don't really know what's going on with that. So I'm going to call the doctors first thing tomorrow because I'm fed up. because nothing's working, is it? We've even tried booby milk and that's not even worked. So, and everyone was like, oh my god, breast milk will work, it works for everything. Which is true, because it's going to sound like really gross, but I used it on my lips. My lips were really, really, really bad. And as I was feeding, I was like, you know what, I'm going to try it. So like I got a little bit and I tapped it. It's gone away. Perfect. I did it. So, but yeah, I've tried breast milk on it. I've tried the warm water. I've tried the tea. I've tried everything. Everything I've seen on Google and nothing has worked. So I think she just needs some drops, truthfully. She's just gone down for a sleep. She's so cute. I could see her falling to sleep in the jumper room and I was like, I'm going to pick her up, see if she sleeps. And she just, oh, okay. Good morning, I've just done a workout. There's my spoon. Same breakfast as yesterday. Not really done too much. She's been talking away, hasn't you? She's just been talking away whilst making my breakfast. It is pouring it down with rain. It's currently about 10:30. I've done a workout already. We've been up quite early. This one had me up quite a lot last night, didn't you? Yes, she did. She's going through a 4-month regression and oh my god, don't I know it, seriously. So today I thought I'm going to have like a no makeup day. I'm going to tidy around the house on this lovely Thursday. I know, oh sorry. I know it's really bad, but I always pop her in front of the TV when I eat because it's the only time. Where's your dummy? I can actually eat without a... What are you doing with it? I found it. It's the only time I can actually eat without her crying and stuff. So yeah, she's just watching This Morning with Eamon and Ruth. Woo! Let's see if they've got it right this week. I hope they do. Oh yes. Nice. Oh, can't wait for them. What else did I get? Oh yes. Them banging. Lush. So it's actually Friday. I need to end the vlog. I've just done a little workout. I'm trying to get her to roll, so we've just been doing some like rolling bits, so I'm just stretching. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I actually don't really know what I have filmed this week. I've just been thinking about it and I thought I haven't even ended the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe. It's been a bit of a lazy week this week. Go subscribe. Love ya.